I love going outdoors, staying connected with great Mother Nature, and staying connected with family and friends. I love sharing my adventures, but I've realized that it's really hard to get access to electricity to stay connected outdoors. The thing is, today's mobile devices use significantly less power than traditional consumer electronics. So one day, I came up with the idea, what if we could convert every energy resource into personal power? I want to introduce you to eStream. It's a portable water-powered generator. It converts any type of running water into stored energy. You can get personal on-demand power with nothing but water energy. This is how it works. Remove the cover. Unfold the turbines and lock them. Hook and release eStream into running water. Let it spin freely to generate electricity. And it charges the built-in battery. It takes approximately 4.5 hours to fully charge one eStream, which can charge up to 3 smartphones, GoPros, or tablet PCs 2 times faster than charging through an outlet. You can also use it as a lantern with 4 different modes, even underwater. eStream works well even in weak current or behind a kayak, and regardless of the weather or time of day. It fits perfectly into any size backpack. It's ideal for use while you enjoy camping, fishing, kayaking, biking, or any other outdoor activities.
We didn't start it just to charge your smartphone at the campsite. We wanted to provide a personal on-demand energy. Our goal is to discover every energy resource around you and convert them into your own power.
We've been working hard to get here to meet you. Our journey has just begun. Please join us in our adventure. Let's embark on this journey together to stay connected as one.
Find a river, charge your phone.
Thank you.
We live on a planet that's 71% water, yet we've only explored 10% of it. We're about to change that. The Fathom 1 is an easy-to-use underwater drone that you control with your smartphone or tablet. We designed it to be the most affordable, most versatile underwater drone ever made. And after 2 full years of prototyping and development, we're finally ready to bring underwater exploration and education to the masses. I'm John.
I'm Matt. And I'm Danny. And we're a team of outdoor enthusiasts, scuba divers, engineers, and travelers that had an idea for an underwater drone that we could take anywhere and use in any environment. I grew up spending summers on Lake Louise in northern Michigan, where a lot of large logging operations took place in the 1800s. Jump forward 200 years and now every cottage has artifacts and pieces of history on their walls that washed up on the beach. But there are still legends of horse-drawn sleds that fell through the ice and got stuck at the bottom, just waiting to be explored. I thought if I could control an aerial drone from a mobile app to explore from above, why couldn't I do the same thing from underwater? That's when Fathom was born.
Underwater remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, have been around for a while, but they're mainly large, expensive industrial devices tethered to big ships. And early consumer ROVs, inspired by their big brothers, cost well over $1,000 with no mobile app for piloting. And you need to be a pretty good hacker to put them together.
We knew we wanted an underwater drone that anyone could drop into any body of water and pilot easily using an app on their smart device. And it had to be small and light enough to carry around, meaning a completely new compact design. It had to come fully assembled out of the box, including an onboard 1080p HD camera and built-in high-intensity LED headlights for clear viewing. And it had to be as affordable as lower-cost flying drones with comparable equipment so that every modern-day explorer could have one. We built the Fathom 1 with all of those features, and thanks to custom components and a streamlined design, now you can have it for under $600. That's less than half the price of the closest competition.
Above all, we made the Fathom 1 super easy to use, but that doesn't mean it's limited. This thing is fully modular. Our patent-pending thruster attachment system allows you to easily remove all 3 thrusters for packing, but it also enables customization and upgrades to specialized thrusters, such as these ones with larger fins for stabilization. And we're hoping our backer community will create and share their own ideas for customization. Fathom 1 also features an integrated rail system that makes adding accessories like action cameras and additional lights or other sensors a breeze. Just slide it on, click it in, and you're ready to go.
We put everything that we have into making underwater exploration and education more accessible to the masses. We built the prototypes, validated our designs, and now ready to go into full-scale manufacturing. All that's left is for you, the Kickstarter community, to show us that you want an underwater drone that's affordable, portable, modular, and completely easy to use right out of the box. Fathom is your chance to go deep and see the world in an entirely new way. The possibilities are truly endless. What can you fathom?
Every single day on this planet, someone is injured or killed by a landmine. Removing them is very time-consuming and dangerous. Millions of landmines litter the landscapes of the war-torn countries around the world. My name is Masoud Hassani, and I want to change this. Our mission is to solve the landmine problems within 10 years. In 2012, we have launched our first Kickstarter campaign. It is called the Minecafon. A low-cost wind-powered anti-landmine detonator. It rolls along on a desert. When it hits a landmine, it blows itself up and it destroys the landmine at the same time. After 3 years of hard work, we brought our mission to the next level. Now we are very excited to introduce you our newest robotic invention, the Minecafon drone. It is an airborne demining system which aims to reduce landmines in less than 10 years globally. Minecafon drone flies above a dangerous area. It generates a 3D map. Then it detects landmines with a metal detector and GPS coordinates. The drone has a robotic arm which places detonators on top of a landmine and blows them up from a safe distance. These 3 methodologies combined makes the Minecafon drones up to 20 times faster than the traditional technologies. It is safer and up to 200 times cheaper. Imagine if we could fly with hundreds of Minecafon drones all over the affected landscapes worldwide and free the world from landmines. Now it's our final goal to bring the Minecafon drones to a pilot in order to be able to test them on different environments and weather conditions. This is needed to prove and show to the demining organizations that the Minecafon drone is faster, cheaper and safer than the existing technologies. With such a disruptive approach, we could save thousands of lives. We need your support to make this happen. Please join our campaign and let's have a landmine-free world, because one less landmine means one saved life. We are looking forward to collaborate with you on this project.
I can hear everything.
You didn't hear that in the beginning? It's amazing.
It's amazing.
How?
I hear it, the sound's coming through. Yeah, I like it. It's so funny.
Whoa.
Hallo?
Oh.
Hey, du hörst einfach die Musik. Yeah. Oh wow, that's really cool.
That's crazy.
Sorry about that.